This morning, about 6 a.m., I got strange visitors who later on introduced themselves as officers from Eacc. So they had a search warrant properly served on me from the courts. And of course, we complied. They did what they had to do. We had a good interaction. However, what was not very amusing, and I must say this, is that the manner in which they brought us here, the dramatic procession to Isiolo, was not necessary at all. Because I was told just to confirm whether these are the documents I saw in the morning or they collected in the morning, which I did. I could easily have done it there. I am a public figure. I can't run away from government summons. I will always comply. So, who is to be pleased on that is something that I really wonder. But as you very well know, and the public knows, the government agencies, whenever they get information, they will act on it. I have nothing to hide from. I will always cooperate with our officers here. Let them do diligent work. They have no cause to worry. They must not be dramatic the way they did in the morning. But my caution is, in the morning, the family was traumatized. And the First Lady of the county had to be ushered to Integrity Center also. Me, I am the public figure. Why should my family be harassed? That is what I want to record. Otherwise, I will be going through the process.
Now,